We know horizon lock works with the gyro, and that works with the counterclockwise and clockwise. Now what if they can get that to work this way, up and down? So now you got 2 axes right there, almost 3 axes, and get rid of electronic image stabilization. Another traffic jam. We'll get on. I'll give you a shot without light. So you got your camera, and the camera's doing this for horizon level. And if you could do this, that would lock out everything. That would do it all. We know image stabilization has to go this way, up and down, like so. Maybe the GoPro Hero 12 will be that in the near future. The GoPro Hero 11 is already made. It's set to be released. And what would you like to see in the GoPro Hero 12? Well, DJI already set in place a 1-inch sensor for the DJI Action 3. And it's going to have HDR 10-bit with image stabilization and anti-shake, face detection, smile detection, and of course, motion detection. It's an action camera. They're going to have a little bit bigger screen in the front, and this time it's going to turn on and off, and it's going to have a special feature for all. It's in-house microphone. That means you could plug in a 3.5 millimeter adapter. Who am I kidding? See that right in the trees. DJI Mini. I haven't gotten a drone. I have no need for a drone. I had a company that was going to get me a drone to review, but they said, sorry, can't give it to you because I'm just a seller. Maybe I should call them back and ask them again. And yeah, waiting for the sunrise to come up. Yes, indeed. Always an interesting shot. Well, things do happen. What can I say? I just love the latency of startup, boot up. One day, that will be instantaneous, and I'll get the shots all ruined like so. I got a video to edit now. I forgot to edit the video on the Hero 10. It's on the sidelines, and I'll put this right after. Oh yeah, I gotta make a turn. I don't know if I could do it. I'll make the turn. Yes, indeed. I got the turn going. Oh yeah, I got the lights in your eyes. And I'm on the road. OBS failed me again. Always again. Man, I was lucky I was able to get all the cameras working at the very last second. And when I went on to YouTube, I don't know which one it hooked up to. I know it was supposed to be the Inky. It just did not do it. It just refused to do its job. It's so important that you gotta pick garbage, Mr. Siegel. It's a beautiful day. It's going to be another hot, humid day, and I'm already burning in my face. So yeah, I got to get things taken care of. Weekend work. I got a job to do. I got chores to do. I got a lot of things to do. I'm going to start to wrap this review, this vlog, this talk this dock, whatever you want to call it. The GoPro Hero 8. Should I keep? Should I get? Should I hold? Should I do? What would you do if you still got a GoPro Hero 8? Cry that you want it back? Never look back? Oh, I know. Use it as another camera. We'll head out of the park, head on back, get a nice cup of joe. What type of cup of joe do you like? Oh man, I like a little chocolate in my cup of joe. Did you know that the GoPro single-handedly, oh, how did that do on the bump? Did that do a good job? Yeah, sure did. Feel it in the bicycle. On the GoPro, I don't know. Now, are you supposed to come down when you got a police barrier up? Unless you live by the beach. People will just go anywhere they want, anytime they want, any place they want. So, he's jogging backwards. He's not walking, he's jogging. I guess it's a fad that they love to jog backwards. Doing it on the right side. Yes, indeed. Well, you know who I am, and you know my motto and how I end my stuff. I said a lot, did a lot, talked a lot, and I hope I shared a lot to you. And it's time to get on out of here and go do other things for sure. I'm Fish. Have a great day.